check constraint is used to limit the range of the values that can be entered for a column. Also, it checks value before inserting into a column by applying a condition on a column. So now let's understand check constraint through this example. Let's take the age column. As we see, we have age as an integer, as a number. Any number can be inserted to this column. For example, I can put a negative number and a big number, which is not reasonable, and try to insert. As we see, a minus 190 has been inserted as an age, which is not reasonable. So in case you want to limit this number, you can do it through check constraint. First, let me delete the table, and then on the age column, after the data type, I will write check. Then between two parentheses, I will write my condition. The condition is the column name must be greater and equal to 18, then and the age need to be smaller than 45, for example. So I have limited the number between 18 and 45. So let me create the table again, and then let me try to insert the same data that we were able to insert it before. As you see, we have now a check constraint failed. The age need to be between 80 and 45. So let me make it 14, for example, and run the query again. As you see, one row has been added and we have a proper age for the employee. So this way we were able to limit the data entry for one column using the check constraint.